It's the easiest recipe in the world. Ready in just 10 minutes. For this recipe we are going to need an egg, a spoon of butter, and we are going to beat these ingredients very well. And folks, this recipe is wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. I will now add 150 milliliters of milk. And hit again. Guys, you're already commenting to me from which city you're watching us. That I will answer each one of you who is commenting. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a spoonful of oregano, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to mix those ingredients again. Now add a cup of wheat flour. And we're going to hit it really well. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Olivia from Los Angeles. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I will add half a spoon of baking powder. And hit very well. Now in a skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil. Put half of the dough and spread it out very well. I'm going to cut it here to fill the ham. Cut it into cubes and add on top. Also cut mozzarella cheese. And here folks, you can stuff it any way you want, with meat, with chicken. Then you decide to add some oregano as well. And the rest of the dough spread very well to cover. And let it cook on low heat for about 7 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to uncap it and it's turning. Right? Which is to cook the other side too. Put some mozzarella cheese on top. And add a little more oregano. Now just cover and let the cheese melt. And our recipe was ready, and it was wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.